Welcome you again to the channel Diecast Bug, and today we have Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic 1:18 model from Solido. Let's just get started. Wow. So this is a very lightweight model from Solido, and just look at the design. It's so stunning, so spectacular. And this I'm talking about the year 1937 when this car was actually made, and at that time it was a 135 horsepower vehicle, which was a huge thing. It was a supercar, and having a top speed of around 210 km/h. But the best thing, if you ask me, about this car is the design. It's so beautiful, so futuristic, especially during those times. Just looks spectacular. I bought this particular scale model mainly because of its design. I'm not so much into classical cars, but this just stills your attention. So well made by Bugatti. I'll just peel this little thing off. Let me be very careful with it so that it don't scrape the paint. So this is fairly a sail model. The only thing that opens up in this model are the doors, and they are so stunning. They are so unique. This just looks so great. Let's see inside. I'll upload some pictures for a better view of this interior. Looks very good. The detailing is fairly simple, good looking, just adequate, nothing so dramatic. It's not a very heavy model. If you compare it to the other iterations of this model by other companies like Auto Art and CMC, they have done it really well, especially the engine area. It's openable. It's not openable in this particular model from Solido, but it's actually openable in other models by other model companies. You can see here, you can see the Bugatti logo. The tires, they fairly move. They are attached to the steering wheel like normally other model companies provide. The rear of this car is so futuristic. More than the front, I just like the rear. This quad, not quad, in fact, there's a 6. Very flimsy. The doors are a bit flimsy, they open up very easily. See, this is what I was talking about, not so properly attached. This is a very good design, so captivating in every sense. So here in the box they have mentioned, for the last 80 years now, Solido has been faithfully designing miniature models that car enthusiasts dream of. From the motorsport cars to the military vehicles, the Solido collection offers a diverse range of models. These models will make the eyes of young and old auto enthusiasts shine, which is true. This is a licensed product, made in Bangladesh. Normally we get models which are made primarily in China, but here is a model which is made in Bangladesh. Licensed product. Going back to the car and just stare at this the whole day. It's so beautifully made. I'm just trying to imagine the kind of engineering and the designing that has went into it in the year 1937. So it's something, it's very iconic car. And by what I have read, only 4 of them were actually made all over the world. So this is a very limited, the actual car is a very limited car and an iconic one by Bugatti. And if you ask me how do I rate and review this particular model from Solido, it's 8 out of 10, mainly because one thing that I just pointed out earlier, that the doors are not very easily shut. Other parts, they don't open up, especially the engine part and also this rear where we have the spare wheel. It's a basic need to do basis kind of a diecast designing and approach that they have. They have not done a very great job, but it's a good job for sure. This material, the chrome material, is very plasticky. The detailing is good. Okay, they've covered up all the aspects. From the outside, you can see below we have this 6 silencers from this 3.2 liter engine, and for the price, I think so it's a good deal compared to the expensive models that you have from other companies of the same vehicle. Alright, thank you for watching. Do share with your car enthusiast friends and like the video and subscribe. I'll upload more videos. Thank you so much. Ciao. Bye bye.